Hello friends, this is Marvin Salcido with Salcido Lawn here, and I wanted to take a quick minute and talk with you about weed and feed. And I know that a lot of you are wanting to tackle your own fertilization and weed control for your yard, and I wanted to give you a little tip about your fertilization and weed control. A lot of people think that weed and feed, when they throw it down on their yard in the spring, that it's gonna help give them that perfect manicured yard, the weed-free yard that they're wanting. But I've got news for you, that weed and feed, it's really not all it's cracked up to be. In order to really combat the weeds that are growing in your yard, you need to take care of them before you can see them. So before they germinate and they begin to grow, that's the time to take care of the weeds. So ideally right now is the perfect time to start your weed control program. And what you want to do is you want to put down a pre-emergent. And so what a pre-emergent does is that takes care of the weeds before they start to grow. So it never even allows them to germinate and to grow, that you kill them before it starts. So if you were thinking that you were just going to buy some weed and feed from one of the big box stores this spring and then throw it down and then have that beautiful weed-free yard, yeah, it will kill some of the weeds, but it's not going to give you the big desired effect that you're wanting, and to get rid of all the weeds. So please, if you really want that beautiful weed-free yard, you want to put down a pre-emergent right now and kill the weeds before they start. So if you have any questions, please post them below. Or if you'd like for us to give you a quote, please let me know. We've got an amazing weed control program that we'd love to help you out with. And we can get started on it right away to help you combat those weeds before they start. So if you have any questions, let me know, and otherwise, y'all have a wonderful day.